The YESLIFE Ski Mask is a versatile face mask designed for men and women, suitable for skiing, snowboarding, motorcycling, and other outdoor activities requiring UV and wind protection. After gathering extensive reviews from users across the internet, this detailed overview highlights what people appreciate and what aspects could be improved about this product. This ski mask has garnered a strong reputation for its lightweight design, comfort, and protective qualities, making it a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts and workers exposed to harsh weather conditions. One of the most praised features of the YESLIFE Ski Mask is its lightweight construction. Users report that it feels comfortable even when worn for extended periods, without causing any discomfort or restriction. This makes it ideal for activities such as operating machinery, working at heights, or engaging in winter sports. The mask stays securely in place, allowing wearers to focus on their tasks without the need for constant adjustment. The form-fitting design also contributes to this secure fit, providing coverage that includes the nose, mouth, and ears, which is essential for protection against cold winds, freezing temperatures, and debris. The materials used in the mask are noted for being breathable yet warm. Several users mentioned that the fabric manages to keep heat in effectively while still allowing moisture and breathability, which prevents overheating during physical exertion. This balance is particularly appreciated by those who wear the mask under helmets or during activities like snowmobiling and ATV riding. The mask's ability to maintain warmth without becoming too hot is a significant advantage, especially in fluctuating weather conditions. Durability and ease of maintenance are other strong points highlighted by users. The mask holds up well to regular use in demanding environments such as construction sites and outdoor sports. Cleaning is straightforward, with many users simply wiping it down or machine washing it without damage to the material or fit. This longevity adds value for those who rely on it daily in tough conditions. In terms of fit, most users find the mask to conform well to the face, providing excellent coverage and protection. The design around the eyes is generally well received, offering a good balance between coverage and comfort. However, some reviews mention that the area around the eyes can feel a bit thick or loose, which may not suit everyone's preferences. A few users also note that the fit can sometimes be less secure on the forehead, especially when worn under helmets, leading to slight movement during activity. The mask's windproof and UV protection features are consistently praised. Users report feeling shielded from biting winds and sun exposure, which enhances comfort and safety during outdoor activities. This makes the mask suitable not only for winter sports, but also for motorcycling and other power sports, where wind and sun protection are critical. Price-wise, the YESLIFE Ski Mask is regarded as a great value. It offers quality materials and performance at a competitive price point, making it accessible for a wide range of users. The positive feedback from people using it in various conditions, from cold weather football games to long days on construction sites, supports the mask's reputation as a reliable and effective face covering. On the downside, some users suggest that while the mask performs well overall, it may not fit perfectly for everyone due to its one-size-fits-most design. Those with specific fit requirements or preferences might want to consider this before purchasing. Additionally, a few comments about the mask feeling like an off-brand quality item indicate that it may lack some refinement compared to premium brands, though this does not detract significantly from its functionality. Overall, the YESLIFE Ski Mask stands out as a practical and dependable solution for face protection in cold and windy environments. Its lightweight, breathable, and warm material, combined with comprehensive coverage and easy maintenance, make it a top recommendation for outdoor workers, athletes, and anyone needing reliable protection from the elements. If you own this mask, leaving your review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing. This review reflects a thorough synthesis of user experiences and expert evaluation, presenting a balanced view of the YESLIFE Ski Mask's strengths and minor limitations. It is a valuable addition to anyone's gear for winter sports, power sports, or outdoor work in challenging weather.